In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform and Zapier. This process will take just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll be able to automate your workflow with ease. First, let's start by accessing Jotform. Head over to jotform.com. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft credentials. Alternatively, you can also use your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up to follow along with today's tutorial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific form you want to modify. This is crucial because our goal is to integrate Zapier with this exact form, allowing you to automate particular tasks as form submissions come in. Next, while you're in the form builder, direct your attention to the orange navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll want to click on Settings. This menu is where you can configure various options for your form, including integrations. After entering the settings area, take a look at the menu on the left side of the page. Here, click on Integrations. This section provides a comprehensive list of services that Jotform can interface with, making it an incredibly powerful tool for your automation needs. In the Integrations area, use the search function to find Zapier. Once you locate it, simply click on it to open the Zapier integration options. If Zapier is new to you, it's a service that connects your apps and automates workflows. So connecting it to Jotform opens up a world of possibilities. Now, here comes the key step. Click on Connect to Zapier. This action will initiate the connection process between your Jotform account and Zapier. If you are not logged into Zapier, you may need to enter your credentials here, so make sure you have your Zapier login details at the ready. Once connected, you have a choice. You can either search for a pre-made Zap in the Zapier template search bar or create your own custom automation. If you decide to use a template, browse through the options, and when you find one that suits your needs, click on Use this Zap next to the template. If the connection option you opted for was Connect to Zapier, remember to log into your Zapier account and authorize the connection. This step is essential as it grants Zapier the necessary permissions to interact with your Jotform data. Finally, select the Zap you want to use by clicking on Use this Zap next to your preferred workflow. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Jotform with Zapier, setting your forms up for seamless automation. This integration will help you streamline your operations, saving you valuable time and effort. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials to help you get the most out of Jotform and Zapier connections.